In this video, we're going to be doing a little part swap, maybe a little bit of modification to the Kingdom Blackarachnia. I picked up the Blackarachnia from the Buzzworthy Bumblebee box set. Originally wasn't really interested in buying the box set, but I noticed the legs for the toy style accurate Blackarachnia has the orange legs. It's one of the things, even though I haven't even opened this one, but I know how she looks. She's got the black legs. I want to make this Blackarachnia look a little more screen accurate to the Beast Wars cartoon. And she had copper orange legs in the cartoon, not the black legs. So let's go ahead and do this. I may end up, also too, she has black feet. And in the cartoon, she had a deep metallic purple feet. So I may end up painting the feet. So I got some Grape Pearl, Testor's Model Masters acrylic. And let's get her out of the box. Instruction booklet. To the side. Handy little thing too, getting the figures out of the boxes. Get you some little nippers. Out. And they got the little stickers, card stickers here. And I got the Autobot Arc. Oh, and here's her gun. Put these to the side. Pop that on so I can keep up with it. On the arms attach, there's all these little mushroom pegs. You just work those off. Easy peasy. Look. There we go. Got that one out. Okay, we have the lower arms swapped out onto the new copper colored legs, spider legs, or mid-arm bicep piece. And they just pop right back into the mushroom peg socket here. Move this down around. And we do the same over here. You hear that nice click pop when you put the arms back on. Now we have the proper colored spider legs for Beast Wars Blackarachnia. I think that looks so much better. And go ahead and put the other black set of legs back onto the Buzzworthy Bumblebee one. Like I mentioned before, the longer mushroom peg goes onto the lower arm. There. Click here. And we have her back together. I had thought about swapping out the feet on this one, since in the Beast Wars cartoon, Blackarachnia had really dark metallic purple feet. I thought about swapping these out. One, these are pinned in, and the way they go in, it'd be a pain in the butt to try to get the pins out. I don't know if you even could without damaging the feet. So I'm thinking a little Grape Pearl on these feet. Okay, so go ahead. Let's go ahead. Just go ahead and put a nice coat of purple on this Grape Pearl. Okay, we got a nice coat of the Grape Pearl on that. It's got a bit of translucency to it, so it might take an extra coat, do one more coat after this one dries. And we have a much better show accurate to the Beast Wars cartoon version of Blackarachnia. After a couple coats of the Grape Pearl, I really like the way the feet look now. It's a nice dark metallic purple. It's a lot more show accurate to the. I know it's not completely show accurate if it's going to be. If these inner parts of the inner thigh should be about the same color as the purple I used down here. Plus the edges of the spider legs be black, and these are more of a bronzer color on the shoulders. But I'm not going total show accurate, just enough where it looks good. I think that's enough. I actually like the contrast with the I'll do like a mustard yellow they have on this, a dark mustard. But I think that's going to be good on the shelf. Yeah, that's the only reason I end up buying this. I didn't get the whole set for the buzzing bumblebee. I bought this one loose. You can usually get her around about 20-25 bucks, about retail what she cost. And to me, those legs make this figure so much better. If anybody was thinking about doing this swap, it's super easy. You just pop the mushroom pegs off and swap the legs out. Basically the bicep swivels for each of the figures, swap them out, and the color combination here still looks good. So I'll probably put this one in spider mode on the shelf, and she'll be in my main display. I hope this helps anybody who's been thinking about doing this swap, and I'll catch y'all next time.